Hello everybody, live market rundown for the 21st of August, Monday. As you will notice, and you can already see in this first chart right here, the markets are a little bit sideways, but this is completely normal because right now we are in the peak season of the holidays for the big banks. So this is actually an opportunity for you to really take your time and learn the market, learn the skills, learn the rules, and really perfect your craft for when things start moving again, you can make your profits. And with that being said, it is the perfect time to register for our new bootcamp that will be starting next Monday. The new and improved bootcamp will really accelerate your learning, and for that reason we call it the 2-week turbocharge. So just in 2 weeks you will look at markets in a completely different, improved way. With that being said, let's get into the watch list we have for today. The first pair is GBP JPY. As you can see, we are still making our way to that daily fib extension. On the 4-hour, we have made a 4-hour higher high because the 1-hour has broken structure. Now you can see we had a perfect impulse followed by a very slow correction. So I'm looking for possibly this daily imbalance or even that 1-hour imbalance a little bit higher to get taken out. After this, we will zoom into the 15-minute because this will form a 1-hour lower high. So therefore, we want to zoom into the 15-minute to flow with the one above, being the 1-hour, into a new 1-hour lower low that we will be taking sells on the 15-minute into these daily areas of imbalance. We can see below 3 high time frame daily imbalances, which are great areas. So this is the first setup we're looking for. Quite a similar setup, not surprisingly, is USD JPY. Both of these have the JPY as their second pair, so they are gathering strength against, in this case, the US dollar. In the previous one, it was the GBP pound. The daily, again, is on its way to its fib extension. The 4-hour just made its 4-hour higher high, confirmed by a 1-hour break of structure we see right here. Now we are moving up very slowly after this impulse down. So when it grabs liquidity and forms a reaction, we can take not 1 hour, but 15-minute sells to flow along with the 1-hour lower high point. Then we have USD CHF, a pair we know very well from last week. I'm still looking for this 4-hour fib extension to be hit along with weekly imbalance. Weekly imbalance, you can see right here. As I always say, the higher the time frame, the more confirmed, the more powerful it is. So weekly is a very powerful imbalance. So I'm very confident that it will actually make its way in there. As we have already started our 4-hour and our 1-hour move, I'm zooming in right now into the 15-minute chart, but it's quite sideways. If we manage to make it down, it would be lovely to take some buys into the 1-hour fib extension. Euro CAD is also quite sideways. As you can see, we've been stuck in this range since Tuesday last week, but nonetheless, it is a great setup. As you can see, perfect liquidity on these highlighted highs. That would be forming a 4-hour lower high. And as you know, a 4-hour swing point is quite great because we would not only be able to flow with that one on the 1-hour, but also on the 15-minute. So the moment this setup is created, we will be having a lot of setups on all these different time frames. So with that, this is the watch list. I also want to encourage you guys to check out the macro market update that I will be posting, because this is going over the macro environment in terms of sectors, indexes, commodities, and all that good stuff. So in 6 minutes, I think the video is, I will be updating you guys on some very powerful economic data you will not be hearing in the commercial financial media. I'll keep you guys updated on the watch list, and best of luck in the markets.